Good morning. We are at Pointe-à-Pitre in Guadeloupe. This is the marina. Lots of docking, but I believe this is the only area where you can do for transient docking. You do need to book ahead. Here is where you head out to BC. And gas stock. We're filling up gas and water. Sunday is open for water 7 to 10, and gas is 72 cents. I don't know what it is during the week, but when you're over here at the marina, sometimes they do half a week. Construction or something. So get water here if you have it. Alright, there we go. Okay, let me go show you inside here. Gas up here. Where we go in, and they have ice here too. Here is the store. They got oil. Oh, yes, of course, the beer and the wine. All kinds of goodies.
Oh, good. Snow shovels.
Snow shovels.
Painted colors, bright color.
Look at this. Fancy. So if you do need to get some stuff, you could get it here. Kettle chips. Hey, they're from Canada. Kettle chips. And they got some lures and stuff, knives, toothbrush and all that. So kind of essential stuff. That looks good. Frozen stuff, and I guess snacks later probably too. More of this stuff. Look at that. Oh, this looks ginger. Whoa, ginger zero. Rum. Water, and of course not ice cream. In the marina, way up in that area there's all the jungle air and maybe stuff you could get. Nice grocery store there too, but be aware on Sundays they are closed. So are most shops. And if you want to have lunch at lunchtime, normally 12 or 1 o'clock, a lot of places are closed. Pizza place was closed. Yesterday, that was Saturday, they closed just for lunchtime, so I don't know what that is all about. But the kitchens do close at a certain time and then they open up again. Beautiful spot to be at. And we're waiting for our next group. We're heading out to Jacq, Dominica, and back to Antigua. Here we go again.